My name is Johnny Pinero of the Pinero Law Firm, and today we're going to talk a little bit about what we do once we accept a client at our office. First step for us to do is to find out who is responsible and make sure that they are placed on notice. And what that means is we send letters out, certified mail, to make sure that the individuals or entities that are responsible for the accident become aware that they are a target. Once they are aware, we can begin hopefully meaningful dialogue between our office, our clients, and the insurance companies, or directly with the at-fault parties. There's a misconception in these cases that lawyers will just file a lawsuit without giving an opportunity to get the case resolved. And although some law firms do take that approach, at our firm we do attempt to try and amicably resolve the matter disagreement as quickly as we can without litigation. Litigation, which we'll discuss later, takes a lot of time and money, and a lot of clients in the end end up far worse than they would have been prior to any litigation being commenced. So we try to do what we can to resolve all disputes without litigation, and this pre-litigation stage requires us to send out documents and begin this dialogue with the insurance companies or with the individuals or entities that caused the accident in the first place. That process typically can last up to a year or sooner. Some cases do resolve sooner than that, and to the extent that the injuries are clear and the cause of the accident is clear, it's not unusual for cases to resolve in less than 30 days. Once we feel that the pre-litigation phase will not resolve the case, either because the other side is denying responsibility or the injuries exceed what the coverage is and they still don't want to pay the amount of money they have, we consult with our clients and get from them permission to file a lawsuit, and that begins the litigation phase of these cases. And whether it's an automobile accident or a slip and fall injury or some product defect that caused the injuries, the process generally is the same. There's also very important statute of limitations that apply to these cases, so we have to make sure that if we're not going to get the case resolved, that we do file a lawsuit to preserve our clients' rights. And statutes of limitations do vary from case to resolved, that we do file a lawsuit to preserve our clients' rights. And statutes of limitations do vary from case to case. So when you call the Pinero Law Firm, one of the things you want to make sure you're aware of is how much time the lawyer has, the law firm has, to file the lawsuit.